Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have OPPO Find X9 and I want to tell you is how to fix weak signal. At first, scroll to the control panel from the top right corner here to the middle, and now tap and toggle airplane mode on and off. This should refer to your network connection, this, with the mobile data, and both Wi-Fi. If you don't see airplane mode here, tap this pen icon right there, but you have to tap it and tap this plus in the top left corner. Now tap a tile from here to add. Here you should see your airplane mode. Now we can go back and tap done. After toggling airplane mode, I do recommend, I know that it may be for some of you difficult, but move to the area of better coverage. If you are in the forest or basement and you try to call someone in the basement, it's almost impossible to have a very good signal. The signal will be weak, and it's going to be weak. So what I do recommend is to move to an area with better coverage. For example, not really the 5G, but for example 4G. Apart from that, we can move to the settings and connect ourselves to the Wi-Fi over here. Tap tap any Wi-Fi network and enter your password. Of course, preferably your home network. Then tap mobile network, tap on your SIM, and tap Wi-Fi calling. Enable Wi-Fi calling, and here tap Wi-Fi calling preferences and select Wi-Fi calling preferred. Now what we have is when you call someone, your phone you will be using Wi-Fi instead of mobile network, strictly mobile network, which should increase the signal quality. Apart from that, if it didn't work for you or just want even stronger signal, tap preferred network type, and based on your location, select either LTE preferred or 5G preferred, as you can see over here. These two types over here. This should really help you. But if you still want to boost your signal, or it doesn't work for you, tap System and Update, tap Backup and Reset, and tap Reset Phone. Tap Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings, and verify yourself using the PIN code to your phone. Here tap Reset, and what will be resetted? All mobile network settings, what we have done for example today, will be reset, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you have to add everything once again. But it will of course also reset the settings and maybe unbug something, fix the bugs, fix the connectivity issues, etc. Here tap Reset, and now everything should be done. Everything should be now working fine, but if it still doesn't, contact the carrier to check for any outages, because for example, I know that some countries, for example India, does not offer, they don't cut your internet to the zero, they just limit it to unusable amount of the internet data, and making a call is almost impossible, even though here you are not with the internet. And some of the countries have it also, so please check for the outages or verify your data plan and let me know in the comments if now your issue is fixed. And that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.